Every transformation begins with a moment of decision. Not a wish, not a hope, not a preference, a decision. Most people don't actually decide. They flirt with the idea of changing, but they never cross the internal line where they say, "This is who I am now." Decision is identity cemented into reality. Decision is the moment when the universe, your subconscious mind, and your future self all receive the same message. The old story is done. A new chapter has begun. Today, we're going to talk about why decision is the gateway to every level of your life and why your results up until now have been shaped by the decisions you did or didn't make. This is where the entire trajectory of your life bends. Decision isn't willpower, it isn't motivation, it's alignment. When you decide, you eliminate the internal negotiation that drains your power. You stop arguing with your potential. You stop going back and forth between who you've been and who you say you want to become. A real decision removes the escape route. A real decision removes the plan B. A real decision says, I'm all in on this identity. I'm done living as anything else. And here's the truth. Every breakthrough in your life is on the other side of a decision you've been avoiding. You already know this. Think about the moments that changed you. They always started with a decision to leave behind something familiar, a decision to step into something unknown, a decision to raise your standards, a decision to stop tolerating excuses, a decision to stop shrinking, a decision to stop living small. The power of decision is that it immediately shifts your identity. Once you decide, your behavior rises to match the decision. You don't become disciplined first. You decide to be disciplined, and then the discipline follows. You don't gain confidence first. You decide to trust yourself, and the confidence grows from that decision. You don't wait to feel ready. Readiness is a byproduct of deciding. Decision is the birthplace of readiness. This is why decisions feel uncomfortable. The moment you decide, your old identity dies, and your mind feels that death, it's supposed to. That resistance you feel, that's the old identity trying to survive. But you're here to evolve. You're here to step into the next level of your life. You're here to become the version of you who leads, who builds, who creates, who chooses, who trusts themselves enough to act. Decision is the highest form of self-respect. It says, I believe in the future I'm creating more than I believe in the fears I've been living from. And I want to share something personal. For years, I didn't actually decide. I convinced myself I was trying. I convinced myself that the timing wasn't right. I convinced myself I needed more clarity, but the truth was simple. I hadn't made the decision that my life required. When I finally decided, really decided, everything changed. My identity shifted. My standards rose. My habits elevated. My courage expanded. And the universe responded. People look at someone successful and think it's luck or talent or opportunity. No, it was decision. Decision creates momentum. Decision creates identity. Decision creates clarity. Decision creates power. So I want to ask you something important. What decision have you been avoiding? What decision is your future self begging you to make? What decision would instantly pull your life into alignment? Not someday, not when things calm down, today, right now, because decision isn't delayed. Delayed decision is indecision, and indecision is the fastest path to a stagnant life. A life where nothing feels terrible, but nothing feels extraordinary either. Decision is a switch that turns on your power. So today, you're going to decide who you are becoming. You're going to decide what identity you're stepping into. You're going to decide what standards you're done bending. You're going to decide what excuses you're done entertaining. You're going to decide what level of life you're done postponing. And when you decide, everything else will start shifting. Not because magic will fall into your lap, but because your identity will finally be aligned with your actions. When identity and action match, momentum becomes inevitable. So here's the core principle for today. Your life expands at the speed of your decisions, not your potential, not your talent, not your information, your decisions. You can have all the potential in the world, but potential without decision is wasted. You can have limitless talent, but talent without decision is stagnant. You can have every strategy, course, blueprint, or mentor, but without decision, nothing takes root. Decision is the activation switch. So as we close this lesson, I want you to sit with the truth you already know. There is a decision you need to make today, not next week, not next month, today. A decision that aligns with your highest identity, a decision that honors your future self, a decision that ends the old story of hesitation, doubt, and waiting, because you're not here to wait, you're here to rise. Make the decision, step into the identity, and watch your entire life shift.